Final pre-match huddle for the Norway players who could do with a win here. Actually enjoyed great success in Norway with Rosenborg 2009. He's been in charge ever since. Ødegaard with the ball. Al-Abdalawi. Ødegaard. Bare torsos in the crowd. Nicely worked by the Norwegians. Here's Lovely little flick there from Ødegaard earlier, releasing Al-Abdalawi. And, well, King never quite reached it because Milosevic just... Johansson. Ødegaard. So confident and comfortable in possession. Happy playing behind this game by playing between the lines. Here he is again, taking possession and finding Al-Abdalawi. Yep. Just over a year ago, now back in the English Premier League with them. Ødegaard. Al-Abdalawi. Good header from Olsen, but it's straight to 8:15 local time here in Oslo. Quality. Skjelbred finding Ødegaard. Now Eto'o. It's cleared as far as Ødegaard. Tackle by Kjellstrøm. Got the ball. Erkan Zenden on the near post. Akdal picked up. Well won there by Ødegaard, and there was no foul. Josh King bearing down on Olsen. And thought, well, why not go for it? Clearance away there, Sweden. Picked up by the usually that type of physical challenge. And some of the players taking the opportunity to get some flip. Oh, the layoff from Ibrahimovic for Kjellstrøm was open. Eto'o, Ødegaard, Eto'o. Just wonder if there was a question mark about it. Coming in from the left side was saved by Nyland. Ødegaard, the 16-year-old, has caught the eye with some wonderful moments of individual skill. The clearest chance for Norway falling to John. Ødegaard. Very nicely played. He's in Denmark with Copenhagen. Ødegaard. And again, gets it back from Nielsen. Evan Hovland. Ødegaard. Crowd wanted to have a go here. He's never scored for his country. He's got it through to Bengtsson. Oh, good goalkeeping. In fact, Høgli accent really dived. Wrong number 2 I had there, but look at this from Ødegaard. Cutting inside, crowd desperate for him to have a shot. And Tom Høgli, who has scored a couple of goals for his country down the years. Johansson, Ødegaard. Such a buzz when he gets on the ball. Oh, and Alexander Söderlund not able to finish. He picks up the ball here, cuts inside. Again, the crowd saying have a go. Oh, it's a through ball and he's onside. Marginal decision, but the flag stayed down and, well, it's a complete miscue, and he looks over at the linesman, almost hoping to see it up, to spare his blushes. He's always stretching. Chance gone in the blink of an eye, but Ødegaard probably been Norway's best. Good defending. This was Ødegaard earlier, perfect through ball, and what an unfortunate stumble from Sjöderland. It's got. That was the challenge by Vent on Ødegaard. Definitely caught. Last minute of stoppage time. Nordveit. Now Ødegaard. Nicely played, lifted up over the top. Here's a chance for Helland, and still, oh, he went for goal. Thanking him for this. Ødegaard with an outrageous pass here. Could have been offside, flag stayed down. Well, you can't go for goal from there, come on. However, just admire the skill from Martin Ødegaard. Got the sandwich out there and dinked a beautiful ball over the top for Helen. And there is the full-time whistle.